pi, if you take sine inverse 0 to pi, then you have a problem in 0 to pi, they have sine 45 and sine 135, they have same values. So if the two values of x have same values of y, that means if x have two values of y, that is not a function, that is called relation. So minus pi by 2, pi by 2, for every x, the sign have unique value. So we say it is a principal branch. Similarly, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 have the same values, unique values of y. That means again it is a principal branch. So this is first, this is second formula, this is a third formula. So from here we start this exercise. This is exercise 2.1. Okay, in 2.1 we have two type of question. One is this, one is this. Okay, from this topic we start the inverse table. Then come on the type B. Type B, they having the based on the formula. This is the formula, third formula. They're based on this formula. In this formula, we are using these three formulas. So either you have both tan inverse or you have sine inverse. So you change by the help of triangle, then you change in tan. Okay, then type C, we start this. This is solve for x. Then with this type C. So these three types we studied. ये तीनों type हम कर चुके हैं till now. Okay. So we again revise the type A. Okay, type A, this is the sine inverse root 3 by 2. We have not minus sign here. So you can write directly answer that is 60 degree. 60 degree means pi by 3 plus. But you have cos inverse minus half. Therefore, we have minus sign where we use this formula. That formula is pi minus cos inverse x. So this is pi minus cos inverse of half. Okay, we finished today the 2.1 and 2.2. We again finished 2.1 and 2.2 exercise today. So this is pi by 3 plus pi minus this half. What is the values of half in cos inverse? Cos inverse half is 60 degree. That means pi by 3. So this pi by 3 is cancelled with this pi by 3 and we get the pi answer. In type A, you have also this type of question. Cos inverse cos 13 pi by 6. So what we see here, this cos is cancelled with this cos only in the condition when the cos have 0 to pi values. But this is the values is 13 pi by 6. Then we take the help of quadrant. This is the quadrant. We always use pi or 2 pi. We never use pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 for it. Okay, we never use these two values. We always use pi or 2 pi. How we use this number? We break 13 pi by 6 is 2 pi plus pi by 6. So this is cos inverse of cos pi by 6. Then answer is pi by 6. So this is type 1. This is type 1. In type 1, we have two type of question. One is sine inverse root 3 by 2 plus cos inverse minus half. This is the type 1. Okay, so if you see your NCERT book, okay, this is the NCERT book. 1 minute. In NCERT book, you have first exercise. Okay, the first exercise in this is a 2.1 exercise. This is type 1. Now board is also visible, book is also visible. You can see your this board. This is type A. Type A, we have this type of question. If you pin the board, then board will be maximized. Otherwise, book is the maximized. Okay. So this is the sine inverse minus half. These are the type 1 question. So 2.1 is based on first type. तो जिन स्टूडेंट्स को अभी तक नहीं आया है तो दे कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2.1. 2.1 is very easy exercise. That is sine inverse of minus half. This is directly based on the table. This is directly based on the table. You can use the table for it, and table is very easy. Okay, table is very easy. This is very easy question. Sine inverse minus half, cos inverse minus root 3 by 2, cosec inverse 2. This is only type 1 question. Okay. Okay, type 1 question. This is type 1 question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Type 1 question. Then we have this is again, this exercise is 1 minute. This exercise is 10, 11, 12. This is a type 1 question. All are type 1 question. Okay, this is type 1 question. Then in type 1, we have also this type of question. Okay, we have also 1 minute. The board is not small. Okay, so today we start again. This one. 1 minute. Because this is type 1 question. Then in type B, we're having this type of question. These are directly based on the formulas. Okay, these questions are based on the formulas. Either you have tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 3 or you have sine inverse 3 by 5. Okay, so So if you have this type of question, so you directly use the formula. Only you see your xy should be less than 1. This is very, very important thing. The xy should be less than 1. Then you can use this formula. Otherwise, you cannot use this formula. If you have xy is less than 1, then you can use this formula. That chapter is not difficult. This chapter is directly chapter. ठीक है? Only the one type which is common with the diffusion that is difficult. That is type B. अभी हमने वो start नहीं किया है. Okay. This is 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. This is tan inverse 1. And then answer is 5 by 4. This is the question. Okay. These are the question on type B. So this is the type B. We start from type A. Type A have two type of question. Then type B we already said this is a non-calculus. This is based on notes. So if you make good notes तो ये अपने आप बहुत बढ़िया नंबर आएंगे इसमें बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे. This is type A, this is type B, and type B you have second type of question where you have sine inverse. So there is no problem. Sine inverse can be changed as cos inverse. You make a triangle for it. This is 3 by 5. Okay, Siddhant, Mishra ji, please see your board. 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Then you change by the help of triangle. You make a triangle. This is 3, this is 5, this is 4. So this will be tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 3 by 4. You again use the formula and you get the answer. And this is type C. This is a question solve for x. So अब तक हमने यही किया है ट्रिगो में. Okay. This is solve for x. Solve for x. You have only one concept कि both the side tan inverse, then tan inverse is cancelled with the tan inverse. Again, these are the role of type third formula. So this is all about of inverse trigo जो अब तक हमने किया है. This is type A. We start from type A. Then come on type B. Type B have two type of question. In type B, this is a very important thing कि xy should be less than 1. If xy is less than 1, then you can use this only formula. Okay. xy less than 1, then you can use this formula. Otherwise, this is not use. इसको use नहीं कर पाओगे. Okay. In the case of xy, if less than 1, then you can use this formula. Now solve for x. This is type C. Okay, so take place, copy down these all things or take a screenshot. This is all about of inverse trigo. Okay, so in type C, we also discuss one question that is sine inverse. That is the question of sine inverse. So today we again revise the sine inverse question. Then after that we start the different thing. Okay, so please copy down this question. Okay, copy down this question. Because this is type third. Okay, this is type third question. No problem. Slide चल नहीं रही है. Okay, the slide has some problem. Because this is the question we studied last class. That is sine inverse x plus sine inverse y. This is the question we already discussed in the last class. Okay, this is type 2. ये थी type 2 in which we have sine inverse. So one question of sine inverse we again repeat. The question number second we again start sine inverse x plus sine inverse 2x equal to pi by 3. Okay. So please copy down this question. These are the question. Now I rub it. ठीक है, मुझे बोर्ड रब करना होगा. I rub the board. So this is type third. Okay, type third. In type third, we have the question. This type of question. We have two type. One is in sine and one is in tan. So we start again. One question we repeat of sine inverse. Okay, this is pi by 3. That is not given in NCERT. This is a question of exemplar. Okay, so we have two methods. The one method we can let sine inverse 2x is A, sine inverse 3x is B, then find the values of A and B, and then sin A plus B. That is a bigger method. And the problem is that if you have two here, so that method cannot be used. Okay, so what we do here, we take one sine inverse second side. So please again देखो इसको. Please join. Be punctual. आप बहुत late आ रहे हो. ठीक है, that is sin inverse 3x. Then 2x we take sin 1 that side. That is sin pi by 3 minus sin inverse 3x. Okay, we take that sign in that side. Second side, now we consider this one is A and this one is B. Now with the formula of sine A minus B. Again C, we take one sine that side, ठीक है, एक sine को उस side ले गया, then we have sine inverse 2x equal to pi by 3 minus sine inverse 3x. Then we find the values of 2x. We put sine on the right side, okay. Then we have the first one is sine A, the second one we consider B. Now this is the formula of sine A minus B. So what is sine A minus B? That is sine A cos B. Now what is sine A? Sine A is pi by 3 cos B, यानी cos of sine inverse 3x minus cos inverse, देखो this is sine A cos B. Now cos A sine B, this is sine of sine inverse 3x. Okay, then again see, this is A, this is B. We apply sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. ये बोर्ड में साल 4 मार्क्स में आया हुआ है. Okay, this is 2x equal to sine pi by 3 means sine 60 degree. That is root 3 by 2. Now you have a problem. It is sine inverse. This is cos. So you want it is cos inverse. So we make a triangle for it. ये मैंने already बताया हुआ है आपको. This is 3x by 1. This is under root 1 minus 9x square. Now we replace this cos inverse. This is cos inverse base upon hypotenuse 1 minus 9x square. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree means half into 3x. Okay, now this 3 by 2 you put this side. This is 2x plus 3 by 2x is equals to root 3 by 2. This cos is cancelled with cos and we get under root 1 minus 9x square. This is 2 to the 4 plus 3, 7x by 2 equals to root 3 under root 1 minus 9x square. Okay, this 2 is cancelled with this 2. Now squaring both the side. Okay, we square both the side, squaring both the side. Then what we get the squaring both the side? That is 49x square equals to 3, 1 minus 9x square. So this is 49x square is equal to 3 minus 27x square. Now this x square is this side. 7 plus 9 is 16. 4 plus 2, 6, 7. That is x square. Okay, equals to 3. Then we get the values of x. हमें x की values मिल गई. ठीक है. Again see from the starting. We have sine inverse 2x plus sine inverse 3x. We put sine inverse 3 of the right side. In inverse trigo, we have a benefit that all the type has same method. Type A has same method. Type B has same method. Type C has same method. All the types have same method. Okay, all the types have same method. So all the question of sine inverse done in this way. We take sine inverse 3x the second side, then we put the 2x, the values of 2x, okay, and we get the answer. So now you start. I am giving you a question. Please start the question. This is very important. If you cooperate us, then we are also happy. Okay, कि आप भी कर रहे हो question. So please start this question. I am giving this question. Start first question. This is cos inverse x plus sine inverse x by 2. Start first question. Okay, the start first question. This is sine inverse x, cos inverse x plus sine inverse x by 2 equal to pi by 6. Start first question and give the answers to me. You start very simply. You take sine inverse x by 2 that side or cos inverse x that by side. That is your choice. Please start the first question and give the answers to me. Okay, start first question and give the answers to me. I say who's the fastest one? कौन सबसे fast देगा? I clap for him. You start this question. Please start this question. Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x by 2 equals to pi by 6. ये बोर्ड में इस साल आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, दिस अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम बोर्ड. तो आपके पास मेथड दिखा हुआ है. योर बोर्ड इज आल्सो विजिबल. यू कैन सी आल्सो बोर्ड बाय फॉर हेल्प. The one student asking Siddhant why we are taking minus sign. मैं भी आपको बताऊंगा. Again I explain how we decide कि answer is plus or minus, which sign we take. Okay. Please start this question. First question. Okay, one student give the answer. The name is Divit Sapra from 12C. Good beta. Yes, they get the values of x. 12th C class. The second student give the answer from 12th E. Okay, from 12th E. Yes, good beta. बिल्कुल सही किया है. Okay, David Satra. If you start the fourth question, then you have two sine inverse x. So you cannot use this method. Okay, because if you have two number, that means you cannot let sine inverse x is a. So the method is right, but please prefer this method. Okay, good beta. One student Dipesh. Dipesh also give the answer. Correct answer, Dipesh. Okay, Dipesh is the correct answer. Yes, yes. Now the answers are come. Good beta. Yes, देखो one student again, Lakshit Malik of 12C class. They are given also right answer. Good beta. It means आ रहा है. देखो these are the few words. ठीक है? If you reply to me, तो हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि you are studying at home. Okay? The tough time. Only start the NCERT. ठीक है? In lockdown period, you try to complete NCERT. Because if NCERT is done, then after that, after the lockdown, we start the exemplar. Okay? 10, 15 students give the answer now. 15 reply मेरे पास आ चुके हैं. Then we start another. Take another example of this question. ठीक है? We start this question, please. Okay, now we start the next type. Okay, now start with the type. अगर आप NCERT देखोगे, if you see your NCERT book, okay, in NCERT book they are given. Now we start type third. Okay, अब मैं आपको type B start कर रहा हूँ. इसमें एक type के question solve होते हैं. We study further. देखो now we start these question. We start the exercise 2.2. Okay. Now I'm starting the exercise 2.2. In 2.2 exercise, the type C question, the last type of the inverse trigo. If you see first question and second and fifth onward, so this is type third. Now we start type third. Okay, मैं अब इसकी last type start कर रहा हूँ. After that inverse trigo is finished. But inverse trigo is more important from exemplar because the weightage of the chapter is 1 plus 1. यानी कि only objective questions, दो objective question आएंगे. This year they are given 1 plus 1, but in set 3 they are given 4 marks question. That is sin inverse x plus sin inverse 2x equal to pi by 6 and find the values of x. But in two set they are given only 1 plus 1. Actually the weightage of the chapter is either 1 plus 1 or 4 marks because this chapter is included with the relation and function. The combined weightage of the both chapter is 8 marks. Okay, either they come in 6 and 1 plus 1 this chapter or 4 plus 4. That is decided by board. Okay, but generally this chapter is 1 plus 1. That means the exemplar is more important in comparison of NCERT. But we start now the first question. We are starting the first question. Okay, अब मैं first question start कर रहा हूँ. Now the type third, the next type. देखो again we repeat the chapter. We start from the type A. Type A had the question, two type of question. One is sin inverse half and sin inverse 35 by 6. Type 2 that is based on the formula. And type third is solve for x. In solve for x we have again two type of question. One is tan inverse, second is sin inverse 2x. Now you see very carefully your screen. Okay, we start type C. This type is common with the differentiation chapter. Okay, this exercise is also in differentiation, also in inverse trigo. तो अब आप प्लीज बहुत ध्यान से देखोगे ना, you see बहुत carefully. This is the question sin 2x under root 1 minus x square. This x given from minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. What is the role of this and how we solve this? This is the difficult part of this chapter. Okay, ये एक part है जो differentiation chapter से भी common है. Now you very carefully you see. After 3-4 questions, then I give you question. But you see your screen. This is the question. This is the question is simplified to this question. Means what is the meaning of simplify? You solve this question. Now how we solve this question? Okay, देखो this is sine inverse. Then we have a property in sine inverse. If you have sine inverse of sine theta, then it becomes theta. But this theta should be lies between minus pi by 2, pi by 2. This is very important thing. It is lies between minus 1 to 1. Yani theta is sin theta lies between minus 1 to 1 or theta lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 or sin theta lies between minus 1 to 1. Both are the same thing. Okay, आपका जब तक sin theta इस values के बीच में नहीं है, you cannot cancel with sin to sin. But here they are given x, so it is very difficult to see it is lies on minus 1 or 1. Okay, this is the important part of this, the technical thing including in the university. Okay, now how we start this question? Okay, हम कैसे start करेंगे? Actually, we convert this total question, this total expression in sine. We try to convert this is in sine. So these are the question based on substitution. Okay, the type 1, very simple. Type 2, again simple. Type 3, solve for x. This is the type 4, and the last type, he says simplify to it. That's also known as a question based on substitution. Suppose we let x is sine theta. We are supposing x is sine theta. Okay, now why we suppose x sine theta? कैसे मालूम चलेगा कि we suppose x is sin theta? मैं भी आपको बताऊंगा. But if you suppose x is sin theta, then what is will happen? That sin inverse, this is x is 2 sin theta. Now this x will replace with sin theta, तो 1 minus sin square theta. ये थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, बट बहुत केयरफुली इसको स्क्रीन पे देखते रहो, आएगा 100% आएगा. दिस इज द कॉमन विद द डिफरेंशिएशन चैप्टर. ये टॉपिक कॉमन है डिफरेंशिएशन चैप्टर के साथ. ठीक है, दिस इज साइन इनवर्स. Now this is 2 sin theta into 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos theta. Okay, this is the identity. Under root 1 minus sin square theta is cos theta. That is the identity from 10th class. Now if you see, it is again sin 2 theta. That is sine inverse of sine 2 theta. If you again see, it is sine inverse of sine 2 theta. But now how we decide that this theta lies between minus pi by 2 pi by 2? This sine is cancelled with sine. But first of all, for that you have a condition that this 2 theta lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Generally, board or CBSE board or NCERT, they have not create the problem. ठीक है, एनसीईआरटी में या आरडी में या किसी और बुक्स में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस नहीं है. Only in exemplar they are given one or two question in which they change this x. This x is always given in this domain. Okay, they never create the problem. But how we see कि this ये जो मैं पार्ट कर रहा हूँ, that is a rough work. इसको आपको करना जरूरी नहीं होता है. Okay, this is only rough work. We do only in this question. आगे मैं किसी क्वेश्चन में नहीं करूंगा. Okay, now what we have? देखो, this is x lies between minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. This is the difficult part of inverse trigo. Okay, but हम कभी भी इसको किसी क्वेश्चन में चेक नहीं करेंगे. This always given according to this. Okay, they are always given. कभी भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं करता. Not in NCERT, not in RD. Only in exemplar they are given one or two questions. Okay, now what we are doing here? देखो, this x, what is your x? X is sin theta. Your x is sin theta. We are supposing x is sin theta. So sin theta lies between minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. Because you are supposing x is sin theta. We are supposing this is the rough work. We never do in any question. We are only doing for this question. कि आप देखो कि what is the role of this. ठीक है, in never in no question they create the problem. Okay, कभी भी problem create नहीं करेगा. कैसी problem मैं बताऊंगा आपको. Okay, now this theta is sine inverse minus 1 by root 2. देखो, we are taking the values of sine theta minus 1 by root 2 to sine inverse 1 by root 2. ठीक है, now this sine inverse minus sine come and that side sine inverse 1 by root 2 to theta sine inverse 1 by root 2. Okay, this is minus pi by 4, this is pi by 4. Now you have 2 theta here, so we multiply by 2 to both sides, then we get this is the values. देखो, this is the condition for sine. If sine inverse of sine x is x, so that only possible when x lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So देखो, here you get the values of x theta is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So you can cancel out it. इस आप cancel कर सकते हो. Then we get the values of 2 theta. Now what is theta? Theta is sine inverse of x. So this is the simplification form of this. But now 3-4 questions are arise. The first question, how we know कि x let sine theta? ठीक है, on what basis we suppose x is sine theta? The second problem, who tell us कि this is the formula of sine 2 theta? ये कौन बताएगा कि फॉर्मूला sin 2 थीटा का है? Because these are the from 11th class. And the third thing is that कि how we check this one. Okay, so first we see how we start the question. We take x, let x something, sin, cos, tan, you can let anything here. Okay, but the one thing is very important, if you always convert this number into sine. We suppose x something is such that this number convert into sine. Okay, then we suppose this way and we get the answer. Okay, now clear all the 3 points. The first point, how we know let x is sine theta? The first question is this. The second question is that who tells us this is a sine 2 theta? And the third question, how we check this lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2? यानी कि they are the 3 questions जो हमारे पास खड़े हुए हैं कि कैसे मालूम चलेगा कि we suppose x is sine theta and how we get this is the formula of sine 2 theta. So for that we make a table. Okay, मैं इसके लिए एक table draw कर रहा हूँ. So first of all आप इस questions को copy कर लो. Then we make a table, and that table is very important because this table is common with the differentiation chapter and also with the inverse trigo. And this table is never not given in any book. Okay, ये टेबल किसी भी बुक में नहीं है. We again repeat this question. No problem अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आया है. We again repeat this question. But first of all, write down these table. This is first. Please copy this table. This table divided into three parts. Okay, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टेबल है. That not given in any book. Okay, ये एक एक्सपीरियंस के बेस पे लिखी जाती है, तो this not given in any book. So please copy down this table because मुझे बोर्ड रब करना होगा. Okay, so this is x is sin theta. We suppose x is sin theta. If in any question you give, if you find under root 1 minus x square, then we always suppose x is sin theta. How? Why we suppose sin theta? मैं क्लियर करूंगा आपको. देखो, if you have 1 plus x square or x square minus 1 or 1 plus x by 2, 1 minus x by 2, what are the meaning of all things? मैं भी आपको क्लियर करूंगा. Don't worry. आप इसको खाली कॉपी करो. Only copy it. ठीक है. We let x is tan theta. We let x is sec theta. Then we suppose x is cos theta. This is the first type of the substitution. If you opt first type of question, then you get a gift. Okay, आपको gift मिलेगा in three formulas का. These are the three formulae which is gifted to you if you use type 1. Okay, this is very important thing. ये बहुत important topic है जो मैं start कर रहा हूँ, because this is common with the differentiation chapter जो हमने exercise छोड़ी हुई है. It is a common with this. The second type of substitution is this: 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Please take the screenshot of this and send in the groups. ठीक है. और you copy down this. So दो बच्चे class miss करते हैं, they have a problem because this is not given in any book. How we use this table for the type 4? We again मैं आपको explain करूंगा how we use this table. But first of all, you copy this question. Okay, you copy down. Please copy down. ये copy करो. The registers ये check होंगे. Okay, after the lockdown ये registers check होंगे. So many students give the register to me. Okay, मैं बहुत सारे बच्चों को register receive कर चुका हूँ, but check करने का मुझे time नहीं मिलता है. देखो, this is the okay, the last शायद आपको visible नहीं है, तो मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ. So this is the three types. Now, how we use these three types? Please copy down this. Then how we use these types? मैं भी आपको declare करूँगा. This is the last type of inverse Chigo, but this is the common with the chapter. So the two problems we clear now. Third problem हम कल वाली क्लास में clear करेंगे. So how we start the question now? देखो, you see now on board. Please see your screen. Suppose the question is cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. And he says simplify this. Okay. They are saying simplify this. The question comes in this way, is simplify this. Or he says prove left side equal to right side. But first you note out this table. Okay. You take a screenshot of this table. बहुत इजी है, बहुत ज्यादा इजी है. दिस टेबल, ये टेबल इस टाइप को बहुत इजी बना देती है. दिस इज द लास्ट टाइप, दिस इज द लास्ट टाइप डी. After that, inverse Chigo is finished. Okay, that's how we start now the question. This is the question. He says simplify this. So first of all, we match with the first table. The first, second, third. We having three types. Okay, the first we match with the first. Okay, it is come in first type. Because in first, we all the numbers are in the square root, and this is not in square root. That means it is not matched with the first. Now we come on the second. First we match with the first, then we come on the second. It is matched with the second. Yes, it is matched with the second. 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square. You see 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square. It is matched with this. If it is not matched with the second, then we come on third. अगर ये थर्ड से मैच नहीं करेगी तो दैट वेरी सिंपल. आपका सिर है, दीवार है, आगे मुझे बताने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Okay, then again you see first. देखो, this is not matched with the first. It is matched with the second. Then if it match with the second, then what we do here? Now we are supposing x is tan theta. पीछे वो आपको देगा कि x lies between -1 to 1, तो अभी इसको आप इग्नोर करो, ठीक है? In tomorrow class we discuss what the role of this. Only you see what how we let and how we proceed. Okay, तो अभी इसको आप इग्नोर कर दो. That x is tan theta. We have cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta. So first step we decide what we let x. The first step we decide what number we let x. So this for that you have three tables. The first, second, third. First you see from where it is matched. So this is matched with this one. So we are supposing x is sin theta. First you decide किससे match कर रहा है. Then you let x is tan theta. Now this is matched with this one. यानी कि this is cos 2 theta. Now cos is cancelled with the cos. So we have 2 theta. Now what is theta? Theta is tan inverse x. The answer is 2 tan inverse x. Okay. Again see. देखो, this is the first question. Now we're taking second question. Second question is sin inverse under root of 1 minus x by 2. Again the same thing. We decide from it is matched with the first, second or third. किससे मैच कर रहा है? We start from where it is matches. First, second, third. किससे मैच कर रहा है? So it is matched with the first one. देखो, this is 1 minus x by 2. So we suppose x is cos theta. Okay, first we decide on the step number 1. We decide what we suppose x. पहले हम डिसाइड करते हैं what we are supposing to x. So this is sin inverse under root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. अब the problem is that if we use this step, if we use this table, then these formulae are gifted. ये formulae आपको use करने ही होंगे. Okay, if you are using from here, तो आपको ये formulae 100% use करने पड़ेंगे. Okay, so if you let something here, then you come on this. ठीक है, इसके बगैर use की आंसर नहीं आएगा. So this is 1 minus cos theta. What is 1 minus cos theta? That is 2 sin square theta by 2. अगर आपको राइटिंग समझ में नहीं आ रही है, वो मेरी बचपन से बहुत अच्छी है. देखो, this is sin inverse sin theta by 2. Now the answer is theta by 2, half of theta. We put the values of theta, that is cos inverse x. So this is the last type of inverse to go. Again you see what we have and how we start a question. See one question from your NCERT. In NCERT they are given first question, prove this. Second question, prove this. And fifth question, simplify this. Sixth question, simplify this. So we start with the first question. We start the first question. Now how we decide we take LHS or RHS? We take RHS because in RHS we can suppose something. In LHS so we have only sign the fact. You start with the RHS. Okay. Then you start from the first question. Please start करो. आज हम 2.2 पूरी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. So first question, only reply me 12C class. 12C class, give the answers. ठीक है, प्लीज 12C क्लास. आपकी मैम गुरप्रीत मैम भी आज क्लास में है, वो भी देखेंगे कितने बच्चे 12C के रिप्लाई करते हैं. ओके, तो स्टार्ट 12C क्लास. 12C क्लास, गिव द आंसर्स. यस, फर्स्ट 12C क्लास. स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ वी स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन? we take RHS, then we match with the first, second, third. We match with the table. ठीक है, ऐश्वर्या गिवन द फास्ट आंसर. ऐश्वर्या ने आंसर दे दिया है. गुड बेटा ऐश्वर्या. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग कि इसमें x sin थीटा लेट करना है. ठीक है, ये आपने खुद सोचा है, मैंने नहीं बताया आपको. यस, वन स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम यस ऐश्वर्या के बाद आंसर दिया है दीपेश ने 12C. गुड बेटा. गुरप्रीत मैम. गुरप्रीत मैम. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, 7 students give the answer. Yes, 1 2 3 4. Surbi ma'am. Okay. Yes, good beta. This is a good number for me. Now you start second question. Please start second question. Second question is for 12th E class. Okay, 12th E class. Second question. Start from the second question. Yes, second question. Yes, good beta. Good, good, good. So many students get the answer. Good. Okay, good, good, good. Gurjot का आंसर नहीं आया. Gurjot, what happened? Okay, start second question. Yes, Niharika given the answer. Good beta. बहुत अच्छी बात है. Good, good. Yes, Palak of 12D class. मैंने आपको अनम्यूट किया है. You can speak. हो ही नहीं रही है unmute. Okay, then we start question number 5. आप दो क्वेश्चंस के आंसर बहुत बच्चों ने दे दिए हैं. ओके, मुस्कान ऑफ 12th है. यू कैन स्पीक. आपको अनम्यूट किया मैंने. यस मुस्कान. Okay, then we start question number 5th. Please now stop. We start the question number 5th now. देखो, you see 5th question in your board. The 5th question is tan inverse. अब मुझे बोर्ड रब करना पड़ेगा, तो प्लीज कॉपी डाउन द बोर्ड. ठीक है, मुझे बोर्ड अब रब करना पड़ेगा, तो प्लीज कॉपी डाउन द बोर्ड. आप बोर्ड से कॉपी कर लीजिए. देन वी रब द बोर्ड. ओके, तो देखो हाउ वी स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन. दिस इज क्लियर बिकॉज आपने दो क्वेश्चन कर लिए. नाउ वी स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी. टुडे वी ओनली डू एनसीईआरटी. मैं सिर्फ एनसीईआरटी करूंगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd and 4th वी ऑलरेडी डन. तो देखो वी स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th. Now the first how we start, how what we suppose here. So first of all we match with the 3 1 जो मैं टेबल रब कर दी है. The table 1, table 2, table 3. Table 1, this is under root 1 plus x square. That means we suppose x is tan theta. Now why we suppose x is tan theta? Why not sin and cos? Because tan theta have an identity. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So we are supposing x is tan theta. This is 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now this is tan inverse under root 1 plus tan square. Yes, good, good, good. Please see your screen. This is sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now we see, देखो, this is we are using from first type. We are using the table number 1. मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया है. In table number 1, if you use table number 1, then 3 formulae are gifted to you. One is 1 minus cos, second is 1 plus cos, third is sin theta. But all the formulae in the terms of sin and cos, and we have here sec. तो ये तो क्लियर है कि अगर टाइप 1 आप यूज करोगे देन यू कैन यूज दिस थ्री फॉर्मूले, अदरवाइज आंसर आएगा ही नहीं. ओके, बट नाउ यू हैव sec and tan. That means you require sin and cos. So you change sin and cos. Again, see, we are changing this sec and cos in 1 upon cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta by cos theta. If you have any problem, you can also send WhatsApp to me and clear the problem. Okay, we know the problem. Siddhant is saying is why we are using, how we decide plus minus sign. वो मैं clear करूंगा आपको. But देखो, one thing is we change in second cos. Then we take the LCM. This is 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Now that is tan inverse 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. And cos theta is, sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now the 2 is cancelled with 2. Sin is cancelled with sin. So tan inverse of tan theta by 2. Then what we have? Answer is theta by 2. What is theta? Tan inverse. देखो, again see how we start. First we decide what we let. We let x or, because what we suppose first we let what we let here. So we are supposing x is tan theta. Okay, please copy down this question. We let x is tan theta. Why we let x is tan theta? For that we have a three tables. Table 1, table 2, table 3. So we match with the table 1 first, then we match with the table 2, then we match with the table 3. One table should be matched. एक table 100% match करेगी. So this match with the table number 1. So table number 1 says कि we let x is tan theta. So we are supposing x is tan theta. Now is it clear कि अगर आपके पास it is clear, very clear, if you using table number 1, then you use 1 minus cos, 1 plus cos, and then the use that one वो आपको use करना ही होगा. तो देखो we get sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta, then we change sin cos in tan. We are changing the values of sin cos. We change in sin cos. Then 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Then sin is cancelled with sin, 2 is cancelled with 2. Then sin upon cos is tan theta by 2. And it is cancelled, and we get half of theta. Theta is tan inverse x. Now I am giving you a question. अब मैं आपको क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ. Then you start this question, please. मैं बोर्ड नहीं हटा रहा हूँ. You can also see the board. You start question number 6. You start question number 6. Okay, the sixth question. ये mod of x greater than 1. What is the use of this? We discuss in tomorrow class. So start sixth question and give the answer. So first of all, you decide what we suppose here. Okay, start sixth question, please. Please start this question. Yes, the fastest one is Aishwarya. Good, Aishwarya. Okay, the one problem in that, हाँ, yes, ये तो मैंने बताया नहीं आपको. You get tan inverse if you let sec theta. If any time you get tan inverse cot theta, if any time you let tan inverse cot theta, अगर कभी भी आपके पास ये प्रॉब्लम आती है कि you have tan inverse cot theta, then you have a trick for it. You can change as tan 90 minus theta, and then it is 90 minus theta. You can use this trick, okay? If you have any time, if you have this number, then you can suppose this one. You start sixth sum. Only one student give the answer. Yes, Isanjali 12th की clapping by Isanjali. Isanjali के लिए clapping. उसने भी दिया answer. Yes, good. Siddhant also give the answer. First answer from Siddhant. Yes, Siddhant आज answers दिए ही नहीं. Okay, then this is very surprised कि 40 to 50 students are replying to me today. Okay, please बाकी भी reply किया करो. Now we are taking 7 question. Okay, we take start 7 question. Because we start 7 question. 7 question is tan inverse. Okay, you start 7 question now. Now they are saying tan inverse 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. So here you cannot x like something. Because if you see 5th question and 7th question, in 5th question we have x. So we suppose x something. But in question number 7, we are not supposing x something because x is not given here. Cos x is already given. So 1 minus cos x, we have a formula for it. 1 plus cos x, we have a formula for it. You solve 7 question, please. 8 क्वेश्चन मैं करूंगा. ओके, यू स्टार्ट 7 क्वेश्चन. आज हम एनसीईआरटी पूरी कर लेंगे. यस, गुड. यस, क्लैपिंग फॉर ऐश्वर्या. दे आर डूइंग वेल. जिज्ञासा 12 थी. ओके, गुड बेटा. गुड गुड गुड. शक्ति. यस, गुड बेटा. बहुत दिनों बाद आंसर दिया है. Yes, Jigyasha also using the range. Good beta. Okay, now we take 8 question because time होने वाला है, तो we start 8 question. Okay, 8 question we start now today. The last question of today, that is 8 sum. Okay, this has some trick. 8 question having trick. This is tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. This question we already done in 11th class. तो टाइम नहीं है इसलिए मैं पास कर रहा हूँ. दिस इज cos x. We divide cos x to numerator and numerator. Okay, we divide by this, then cos inverse 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. If you remember in 11th class question, in 11th you have cos 11 minus sin 11 upon cos 11 plus sin 11. This is the same question as in 11th class. So कल वाली class please miss नहीं करना, because we discuss what is the role of principal branch in this type of question. How we decide what we do in the last. Because this one we replace with 1045, and this x is 1 is replaced again with 1045. So you see it is a formula of 1045 minus x. So the answer is pi by 4 minus x. So please note out this question. Okay. Gurpreet ma'am.
हेलो।
Yes, Gurpreet ma'am, आपकी क्लास ने 20 स्टूडेंट्स से मुझे आज आंसर दिया है.
ओके सर।
तो क्लैप फॉर हिम, मैंने उनके लिए क्लैप कर रहा हूँ स्क्रीन पे. 12C, गुड बेटा, आपको क्लैपिंग नजर आ रही होगी. ओके, चारू मैम, टाइम, क्लास इज ओवर.
Okay, sir.